What's up, creators? Welcome to the Bent to STEAM Academy. My name is Monica, and today we're going to dive into part 2 of our Tinkercad tutorial series. So hop on your computer, log in, and let's get started. Alrighty, so once we are in the Let's Learn Tinkercad tutorial, we are going to scroll down to part 2, testing your new navigation skills. Testing your new navigation skills. Now we're going to learn to move around. Continue to the next step by clicking on Next. Your first challenge. Congratulations, you just completed your first Let's Learn Tinkercad lesson. Let's test how well you're doing. Here is your first challenge to find out. Hidden in the lesson is a message. You have to navigate around Tinkercad and view the hints from the optimal angle to review the text inside. Good luck! First view. What is the first word? Can you find the first word? Continue to the next step when you're done. Second view. Now the second. Can you find the second word? Third view. How about this third one? Can you find it? And one more just for good measure. Can you find the last word? Well done! By uncovering the mystery words, you've proven you have the skills to quickly and easily maneuver around Tinkercad. Great job! Hope you had fun with this lesson. Practice makes perfect. In the next lesson, you will learn to manipulate objects. And that's it. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial. Stay tuned for our next one. And as always, keep creating.